Namaskar. Myself Somyasri Satpathy. Today I am talking about HIV and AIDS. Why is it important to talk about HIV? Communication about sex, HIV and AIDS and HIV testing is necessary to teach and learn about HIV and its preventional treatment and care. Informal interpersonal communication about HIV and AIDS has been shown to exert positive changes in HIV, knowledge and stigma square and possibly even risk behaviors. While sex can be an embarrassing topic to broach with children, having the talk has never been more important. Sex has consequences that can be more dire at their pregnancy, namely HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, and it's important even for kids to know the facts about HIV. How do you talk to kids about AIDS? Take your cue from a commercial about AIDS that pops up as you are watching TV with your kids. Ask them if they heard about the diseases and what they know about it. Research shows that as many as 93% of children have already heard about the illness by the time they reach third grade.
Last but not at the least, educate yourself about HIV. Today, lots of people living with HIV are on ART and have the virus under control. Others are at different stages of treatment and care. Don't make assumptions and look to your friend for guidance. And the knowledge is, if someone has disclosed their HIV status to you, thank them for trusting you with their private health information. Thank you. Namaskar.